Alright, next I'll show you how to adjust the vibration on our controller. First, press FN plus up to increase the vibration strength. This will make the vibration stronger. Press FN plus down to decrease the vibration. As you adjust, the controller will give a short vibration as feedback to show the current vibration level. See FN plus up. The controller vibrates briefly. Let's put it on the laptop so it's easier to see. Alright, level 2. Level 3. Maximum level. If you press up past the max, it won't vibrate because it's already at the highest setting. There are 4 levels in total, 12 and 3. So just use FN plus up or down to adjust the vibration strength.